Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the top 7 passive income sources for 2023. As we enter a new year, it's important to start thinking about ways to diversify your income and create long-term financial stability. Passive income is a great way to achieve this, as it allows you to earn money without having to actively work for it. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 7 passive income sources for 2023. What is passive income? Passive income is income that is earned without actively working for it. Instead, passive income is generated through investments, rental income, or business ventures that require minimal effort to maintain. Many people are interested in generating passive income because it allows them to earn money while pursuing other activities, such as traveling, spending time with family, or working on personal projects. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 7 passive income sources for 2023. From rental properties to online courses, we'll explore a range of options that can help you earn money with minimal effort. So, let's get started. 1. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, but it's important to be prepared for the responsibilities involved. You'll need to be a good landlord, which includes addressing tenant complaints and maintenance requests promptly. You should also have a solid understanding of the local real estate market to ensure you're charging fair market rent. Despite the challenges, rental properties can be a great long-term investment, with the potential for property appreciation and increased rental income over time. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks can be an excellent source of passive income, but it's important to do your research before investing. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and a history of stable earnings. It's also important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. While dividend stocks may not offer the same growth potential as other stocks, they can provide a stable source of income for those willing to invest for the long term. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer an opportunity to earn passive income by lending money directly to borrowers. However, these platforms do come with risks. Defaults on loans can result in the loss of your investment, and the platforms themselves are not backed by the FDIC. To minimize risk, consider investing in a diversified range of loans and stick to reputable lending platforms with a track record of success. 4. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, and templates, can be a great way to generate passive income. However, it does require a lot of work up front. You'll need to identify a profitable niche, create high-quality products, and develop a marketing strategy to promote them. While it may take some time to build up your product offerings and reputation, the potential for ongoing passive income can be significant. 5. Rental businesses. Owning and renting out a business can be a lucrative source of passive income. However, it's important to choose a business that aligns with your interests and expertise. You'll also need to have a solid understanding of the industry and the market demand for your rental services. Additionally, it's important to have a strong business plan in place and to actively monitor and manage the rental business to ensure its success. With the right approach, owning a rental business can provide a steady source of passive income for years to come. 6. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can be a great source of passive income, but it's important to understand the risks involved. It's important to have a long-term investment strategy and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. You should also consider the fees associated with investing, such as brokerage fees and fund expense ratios. It's also important to diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. While there are risks involved, a well-planned investment portfolio can offer a steady stream of passive income over time. 7. Online courses and coaching. Creating and selling online courses and coaching services can be a fulfilling way to earn passive income while sharing your expertise with others. To be successful, you'll need to identify a specific topic or skill that you're passionate about and have expertise in. You'll also need to develop a strong marketing strategy to promote your courses and coaching services to potential clients. With the right content and marketing, online courses and coaching can provide a reliable source of passive income while helping others achieve their goals. While we have covered the top 7 passive income sources for 2023, there are still other potential sources of passive income that you may want to consider. One example is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Another is royalties from creative works, such as music or books, which can provide ongoing income for years to come. You could also consider investing in a rental property through real estate crowdfunding platforms, which allow you to invest in properties with lower minimum investments and without the hassle of managing the property yourself. Factors to consider. Before deciding which passive income source to pursue, it's important to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and level of involvement. Some sources of passive income may require more upfront investment, while others may carry more risk. It's important to do your due diligence and consider the long-term potential of each opportunity. Additionally, it's important to remember that passive income does not mean completely hands-off. While these sources of income may not require active work, they do require ongoing management and monitoring to ensure their success. So, there you have it, the top 7 passive income sources for 2023. Remember, earning passive income takes time and effort, but it can be a great way to achieve financial stability and freedom in the long term. Whether you choose to invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, digital products, or rental businesses, be sure to do your research and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video on the top 7 passive income sources for 2023. We hope that this video has given you some insight into the different opportunities available for earning passive income and has inspired you to explore these options further. Remember, earning passive income takes time and effort, but the potential benefits are well worth it. By diversifying your income streams, you can achieve long-term financial stability and freedom. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.